Hello friends, welcome to Vipin Hair Show. This is our third episode and I'm doing this episode regularly on 7 p.m. Every day, Monday to Friday. So today we are going to talk about a topic which is one of the most interesting topic in SEO world, that is how to improve your website's speed. Thanks asking Akshin for joining in. Great to see you. So let's start the topic. Let's don't wait for other people. Let them join. So as like Google just revealed that site speed is a ranking factor nowadays. So this as it become a ranking factor, so it's one of the most important aspect when it comes to our website speed and website load time. So what you need to do, how you need to improve your website speed, that's the main thing you need to focus on. So that is the way how you will go about it. So we will going to take down all the points and we will going to talk about how we can improve our website speed in this session. So thanks for everyone joining in. So let's start the session. So today we are going to cover a topic, how to increase your site speed, so that it's going to help you in ranking of the search engine. So if you are having a website, just type me. Do you have a website? If you are not, are you handling a website? Go ahead and just type me. Let me know how many people are having website. Thanks everyone who is joining in. It's great to see you all. Let me know if anyone having a website or managed website or doing SEO, not getting a result. Okay, Vishnu is doing. Anybody else? So what happens when page is slow? SEO ranking is one of the main factor of deciding based on indexing. So when your website is slow, what happens? It won't get indexed. Most of the pages won't get indexed into the Google. So that what happened, that some of the pages ranking you won't get. So that is the one issue what you are getting when you come with this particular section. So okay, Srijit said like travelcircle.com he is having, and Vishnu Dutt is having, and Vishnu is having. So okay, so there is a research done by HubSpot which says that your site speed is directly related to your conversion. Okay, so as conversion increases, if your load time decreases, so that is the one thing. So what are the main factors? So how your page will be slow or why your page is slow. So I've just jotted down some points, just looking into that. So first is slow host. Hosting is one of the most important aspect when it comes to the digital part. We need to host our website in a good hosting service provider. So most of the time our client goes with the cheapest option and their website is getting good traffic. When you go within a cheap option, when we go with the less bandwidth site, what happens, when traffic gets in, the site is automatically becomes slow on that purpose. So what you need to go is you need to switch into a good, if you are having a good traffic, if you want fast service, you just move to some good providers, web hosting providers who can offer you more bandwidth for your website for traffic in. Then that's the hosting part. The second point is images. Most of the time when we optimize our website or publish our articles in the site, we make sure to go and optimize our images. You should always make sure that your images, whatever you are uploading, should be in KB, not in MB. So focus on as much as possible. You can decrease that image size, because in a page we update so many videos, so many images, so many other functions are happening. So these are actually increases the load time. So avoid that thing. Third section is apps, plugins and widgets. If you are using a WordPress, you know all these things. So if you are using WordPress, try to avoid unwanted plugins. So try to make, like, so many people uses like how to paste code, like header footer code options. They use so many different things which they can do it manually, one time action. So like try to use tag manager and fire all the other code from your Facebook pixel, from your Pinterest pixel, from your LinkedIn pixel, from your Twitter pixel, from your Google ad pixel, Google ad tags, from your LinkedIn analytics account. All those accounts can be fired through one single platform, that is Tag Manager. So start using Tag Manager for increasing your site speed. So that's the one thing. So stop using so many plugins, so many widgets, and so many apps in your particular website. So try to use minimalist, become a minimalist and try to use minimal and with the effective things. And then next point is site theme. If it's based in WordPress, site theme is also matters, like how that site theme is built on. So you need to try, if you are buying a new theme, you need to always look into that, what is the speed is going to be. Can you suggest some good hosting option? Yes, you can always go, you don't go with the sharing hostings, you go with the direct hosting, like VPS hosting. All those hostings are there where you get complete access of hosting and you will be the core. But you go when you have a good amount of traffic. You don't go if you just started a blogging and you start going for a 5,000 6,000 monthly budget hosting service. You don't require that. But once your traffic is increases to 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs per month, you require dedicated hosting for yourself. So go for dedicated, don't go for shared hosting. You can go for the Bluehost, you can go for the SiteGuard, you can go for the HostGator, you can go for the, even GoDaddy is also good. It's not bad, their service is good. You can go and use any of them. Okay, so that was like just add-on point. We will do a QA session at the last, so let me finish it off, and so we'll take care all the questions after that. So then site themes. After site themes, you need to think about the third party scripts. So you need to look into that, what are the third party script you are using in your site. Like so many pages uses like Google Map, and so many people uses other apps which already loads with the page. Okay, some people uses, when a site opens, they uses some icon kind of thing opening, loader. So you should avoid those things which decreases your speed or make your user to wait for longer period. If you are able to reduce these things, you can increase your conversion easily. So then it's going to be code parts. So most of the things, like developer can go and see that unwanted codes are there, unwanted Java scripts are there. They can remove that and increase your site section. Then redirects, so many redirects if you are doing in a link, that's also increases the load speed. Like so many what people do, that they may have 3-4 redirection to one single page. So what happens when this much redirection is there, the page automatically becomes slow for that. So these are the things what you need to focus on when you are focusing on increasing your site speed. So there is a study says that, just I noted down the point, 1 second delay in a page load time decreases 16% of customer satisfaction, 11% fewer page view, and 7% conversion loss. So you can understand that speed is one of the most important aspect when it comes to the conversion point, because we don't like to use a website which is not opening fast. Okay, we try to avoid those websites. We just move into the next website where we don't get a user friendliness. So relationship between load time and conversion rate is around 25%. Decreases in conversion rate just by an extra second load time. If your website is loading extra 1 second, your conversion will be going by 25% down by that particular thing. Especially it happens in e-commerce section. If you are handling an e-commerce website, you need to focus on all those things to decrease that your speed. So that is the thing. And other than that, how you can optimize your website so that you know that what is the site speed is there. So you need to go and look into the Google page speed. There is a software, or there is a website where Google actually provide you a speed, and they also give you a recommendation how you can go and increase your site speed. Then one of the tool I use, GTmetrix. GT Matrix is one of the good website where you can go, and they also give you the exact places, exact thing with loading fast or loading taking time. You can decrease that size, or you can remove that file if required. If it's not urgent, you can use that. So GT Matrix is the second one, and third one is Pingdom, which you can use to track the speed of the site, and that they also give you the exact sections like where are these issues happening. You can easily go and fix all those things. So that was a small session I just wanted to finish today. So how you can increase your site speed, and if you increase your site speed, you can increase your conversion by at least 25%. So like as the study shows that 1 second decrease in speed will be going to be 25% loss in conversion. So that's it in this session. So if you guys having any query, just leave it below, and thanks for everyone joining in. I was not able to see some questions. If you have any question, let's drop it. Also, I have already mentioned that if you are I'm doing this live daily, and daily by 7 p.m. I am coming live, and this is going to be on Aviv Digital channel. And I am just leaving a link. If you have any question which you wanted me to cover, you can post there. So I've just let me pin it. So I've just pinned that link. You can go there. That's a Google form. You can fill that form if you have any specific question which you want me to cover. So this was one of my students asked how to increase their website speed. That's why I just covered that topic. If you have any specific question, if you have some business question, related question, you can easily go and fill that form and put the information there. I will love to come with the point, and if I do the research and come with the full details and share you the points and my view on those things. So if you like this show, make sure you share with your friend, take a screenshot and go on your Instagram live or Instagram story and share it, and tag me or tag Aviv Digital if you like, if you feel that this is informative. And thanks for everyone who is joining in, and let me know if you wanted me to cover anything else. If anybody have any questions, I will take, or will just leave for the day. So thanks guys, thanks for joining in. Great to see you all guys. So replay will be there, so make sure go through it, and if possible make sure share it. So thanks for joining. Great to see you all guys. So have a nice day, take care, have a nice weekend. So we'll be live by Monday evening 7 p.m. So okay guys, take care, bye bye, and thanks for everyone to joining in.